Good morning. Este does understand intellectual prosperity. Course, Valuation y Negociations o Technology. Tutor Juan Carlos Amezquita. Student John Jairo Flores de la Cruz. Growth 17. National Open y Distance University. UNAD. CAD Sagún 2022. Lot of benefit information. Lots of truths in letter disagreement with the company's philosophy, lower labor productivity. For communication with superiors y colleagues. Three objectives are not met. It therefore traces a loss of income. Third phrase that trace work is undervalued. Third is a talent drains. Three large of appropriate tools y means to carry out their work. Un centralized y stability growth a most start counting a hurry at more pre. Recommendation Dynamics Nate Tris report or an information publication is tris regard to three branch agencies or three represented titles automous y private sector. Marketing accessible software y otras agencias car uses that banks for trace purposes y trace development plans y programs. En course policy agencies to stabilities programs. I met at analysis of three co-marketing use of the system. Thank you.